Okay, so I've poured the rice in with all the veggies. I poured the meat in as well, so you can see the meat in there. And just this whole, see how deep this pan is? This whole thing will last him literally like at least 7 days, all week long. Even farther, because typically what I do is I mix it in. This is Natural Balance dog food, but typically I mix it in with a little bit of kibble. So I don't know. Some people choose to just do the dog food. Sometimes I mix it in with a little bit of kibble. It just depends on what he feels like for the day. Sometimes he just wants all dog food that I've made. Sometimes he wants a little bit of kibble added to it. And honestly, sometimes I just add the kibble in there because he does need to work his teeth and chew on something harder. So that's something else that I like to do. But obviously, you can see I don't buy much. I put maybe a handful in there to mix in with it, and that's about it to a bowl, which is maybe that big. That's a bowl. So for his size, and actually obviously for Yorkies it'd be half that size, just depending on the dog. And obviously if you have a lab or bigger, then this will probably last you 4 to 5 days. But they honestly, with the rice and stuff, it's enough, and it helps them to control their hunger because it's so filling. So let us know what you think. Let me know how it goes. I'm so excited to hear from you guys.